We have next example. We have highs in following cells: 1, 3, 4, 6, 9, 11, 12, and 14. How many groups we can create? Remember that Karnaugh map can be folded. You can fold these two sides together, and you can fold and put these two sides together. So I can have two groups over here. These two highs are going to be next to these two, and these two ones are going to be next to these two. So I have two groups. Let me talk about this group first. This group is placed in 2 rows and 2 columns. The common variable for these 2 rows is b. That's why I'm going to write over here b. The common variable for these 2 columns is d naught. That's why I'm going to write over here d naught. I'm finished with this group. This group is placed in 2 rows and 2 columns. At the side of these 2 rows, the common variable is b naught. And the common variable for these 2 columns is d. I'm finished with the second group. Now let's take a look at this expression. This is exclusive OR. Okay, so if you want to implement this function, this is just exclusive OR gate with inputs B, D. These are the solutions to my problem.